Power Clean Sanitiser is a concentrated, fast-acting cleaner designed for the food transport industry. Specifically designed to meet the needs of the modern haulier, Power Clean Sanitiser has been created in partnership with leading food producers to ensure it is up to task. Power Clean Sanitiser is non-tainting, free of dyes and fragrances, and meets the sanitizing standards required by the Food Standards Agency, so fleets can remain clean, sanitized, and compliant. Power Clean Sanitiser can be applied to all washable surfaces, including paint, plastic, vinyl, floors, walls, and more. To use Power Clean Sanitiser, shake the bottle well and dilute 1 part cleaner to 10 parts water. Spray vehicle surfaces evenly, starting with the lower areas and working upwards to ensure complete coverage. Power Clean Sanitiser can be applied in a variety of ways, either by hand pre-spray or with foaming equipment, which will allow for an increased contact time on vertical surfaces. Just 2 minutes of contact time is required for the sanitizing action to take place. Any stubborn dirt deposits should be scrubbed with a suitable brush or scrub pad, after which treated surfaces should be rinsed off with high pressure water to reveal a clean, sanitized surface. And it really is as simple as that. With the load area of the vehicle now clean, the exterior can be cared for with Autoglim's range of exterior cleaners for a perfect finish inside and out. Power Clean Sanitiser, a fast-acting, compliant cleaner for the food transport industry.